And in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really easy carpet freshener using citrus essential oils and baking soda. So the baking soda will help soak up any odors that are in your carpet, and the citrus oils make the carpet smell really good. So it'll give you a nice, clean, fresh smell in your house. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the grapefruit essential oil that we sell in our shop, sweet orange essential oil, and lemon essential oil. So this is really easy. What we're going to do here is we're going to get a cup of baking soda. We'll use what's left out of this bag. And you want to break up any clumps that are in there. There's a few clumps in it. Okay, so now we're going to put 10 drops of grapefruit. And I didn't get my spoon out before we started. So we're going to mix this up real good. I can already smell the grapefruit. We're going to put in 10 drops of orange. Sometimes it's just easier to use your fingers. And the last step, 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Oh, that smells really good. Okay, so now all we're going to do is I'm going to put this into this container, which is, all this is a foot powder container that I've repurposed to sprinkle on the carpet. So you don't have to get fancy with this stuff. And then I'm just going to use the funnel to put this in there. And now we just snap our top back on. And you can see the top will close, so it keeps your essential oils from vaporizing and evaporating away. And now let's go shake this on the carpet and see how well it works. Okay, so let's try this carpet freshener out and see how it works. And it smells really good. So we're going to sprinkle this in the carpet, and then we'll come back in a few minutes and vacuum it up. The good thing about this bottle is that you can just spray this out, squeeze it out. Alright, so it smells really good. It's making the room smell good, so we're going to leave it there and let it soak up some odors and get that good citrus scent into the carpet, and then we'll come back and we'll vacuum it up. Okay, I've left this on the carpet for about 30 minutes, so now I'm going to vacuum it up, and oh my God, the room smells incredible. It's got this great orange, fresh citrus scent to it. And one other great benefit of using this for your carpets is when you vacuum it up, it freshens your vacuum cleaner. So it makes your vacuum cleaner smell really good. It goes up into the bin and it takes care of any odors or anything like that. Gives you a fresh, clean scent in the vacuum cleaner too. So thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Be sure and like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. And we'll see you in the next video.